What's up, everybody? Okay, today it's gonna be an exciting day. I have two packages coming, and one is from Saya, which is they shipped all the way from Texas. God bless them, they did it like within 3 days. I'm amazed. But anyways, and the other one's from UPS. So we got my AD rack coming in, and we also have my what's it call it, Steelcraft front bumper coming in for my Ram pickup build here. So now after these two things are installed, I'm definitely gonna try to look at some nicer nicer tires, because maybe a little wider tires, because if you look at the truck from the back, you can see that the wheels are just a little bit too small for my taste, a little too skinny, and it's not me. Package here, and dropped off by UPS, and we're going to install this right now. Addictive Desert Design. It actually does look something like this in this box here. It's going on this truck here today. So staples in it. Look at that. Addictive. Really want to invite you guys in this video. So this here is the box here. To take it, we're gonna just cut it open to see what they have here. More lights. There's one outside the box, so I guess they do that in one mass. More lights, bolts, and hardware. I don't see any instructions yet, so we're going to look at that. But yeah, it's gonna look. Okay, so we got the rack on top, but it is not bolted in yet. So far, this is how it's going to sit, pretty much just like this. So we got the rack up. Now we've got to get to drilling holes in the side, on each side, and bolting it together. But I think this rack looks killer. Look at that. This changes the whole look of the truck. Let's go scope beside it. Let's zoom out a little bit. Can I zoom out? All right, so look at that. That just changed the whole look of the truck. They also have a rack that goes on top, and they have a tire carrier that can go to the back. But I don't know if I want to do the tire carrier, but I think that looks amazing. Okay, so yeah, I am doing this, and as you can tell, I am getting beat. But anyway, so we are finishing this up. Now, one thing I'm working on right now is the alignment here and tightening these bolts, because I do not want this overhanging this plastic here, or this say tail bed here. Like I got it on this side hangs off just a little bit more, which I gotta correct by just by loosening up that bolt. And I do need to put a couple more bolts in here, but this was complete the install for today. As of right now, but I'm going to tighten up that top rack here, and it does come with lights. I am going to put those in. I might as well. So I'm going to put those in, and I am going to finish installing the rest of this rack here. So now I'm about to get to bolting these down. I didn't do it the last video because, bro, I was tired after that. But I'm going to finish installing these bolts here. As you can see, there's only 2 on the side. There's only 1 on the side, and I got spaces for them so that way it doesn't keep bending metal. So let's get to doing that. And yeah, hard work pays. Okay, so yes, here I am using 2 different bolts. I'm using this bolt, next bolt, and I got the Allen key bolt. And the reason why I got this is white. Unfortunately, I do not have black, which I'm going to touch up later. So this is not only a temporary fix. So what I'm going to do here, I see bare metal, so I'm just going to hit this with a paint, so that way it doesn't rust out. So I'm going to hit this with a paint, so it'll be back sealed, and then I'm going to you know, later on touch it with a matte black, so that way it's back to looking normal. But yeah, so let's just do this real quick and finish this up. And this stuff dries really fast, like seconds fast. See? Except for when it's really thick, but it dries really quick. As you can tell here, it doesn't smear yet. So see, now it's starting to dry up. So anyways, 1, 2, 1. So I gotta swap this one with this one here. And then that looks good. So don't worry, this is gonna be painted black, like I said. Get some matte blacks and it'll be all set. Okay, that pretty much completes the install. So as you can see here, I got a little white on each bolt. That is because I painted the drill spots where I had to drill the holes to get that bare metal sealed. So that's what that is for that rust protection. That's gonna be a little bit of matte. I am going to get a matte black paint so I can actually sorry I'm all over the place, so I can actually paint those spots black. So I don't want that white there. It's just there for temporary. And 2 bolts or 3 on this side needs a 3 bolts needs a nut. So with the kit, it was short a couple of nuts. This is what I noticed too. But all in all, Addicted Disaster design looks phenomenal, and as you can see, that just changed the whole look of the truck. Let me see if I can go back even further. But yeah, that just changed the whole look. Okay guys, that's gonna end today's video. Definitely subscribe if you have not, and like and comment down below so we can actually see this channel grow. So until the next video, we'll see y'all later.